welcome to Storytime with Book Bears. My name is Clarissa, and today I'll be reading It's Raining, It's Pouring by Ken Eagle. Let's open up to the first page, which says, It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Look, there's the old man. He's by his wife, and look, there's so much water coming into the house. It must be raining so much. Next page. He bumped his head when he went to bed and couldn't get up in the morning. Poor old man. He's right there, and look how much water's in the house. Oh no, his wife. It's cloudy, it's breezy. The old man is sneezy. Look, there's a bunch of wind and all the leaves are going everywhere, and the old man is about to sneeze. He blew so hard that he moved the stars, but of course that wasn't easy. Wow, he blew so hard, he moved all the stars and a car and even a cow. Wow. It's snowing, it's blowing, the old man is growing. It's his birthday, and he has a cake, and his wife is baking some cookies, and look, there's his little kitty. Look at all the snow. Must be really cold. He ate so much one day for lunch, every part of him was showing. He had so much food. A pie, some sandwiches, even a sundae. That looks good. Wow. There's our gingerbread cookies again. It's warm out and sunny. The old man loves honey. What is he thinking? Look, there is the bee. And in the beehive, there's honey. Is he gonna get some honey from the bees? Let's see. He tried to seize a batch from the bees and they didn't find it funny. Oh no, he's getting chased by all the bees. They're gonna sting him. Oh no, poor old man. It's cold, damp, and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. So look, here's Willie. And look, he has a well. He's probably gonna get some water. There's his cat again. Oh no! He tripped and fell in a big well. Oh my gosh, did he look silly? Oh no. Poor Willie. His cat looking down at him. Wow. It's gusty, it's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. So we have Willie and Cindy, and look, there's a kite. They live right next to a little river, and they could take the boat out, having a picnic. Look, he has a hamburger, a bunch of fruit. He's cooking a bunch of hamburgers there. Such a nice day. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy. Look at all the ants on their pants. They just want to get the food. Ants everywhere. They're dancing around trying to get all the ants out of their pants. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezin', If he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasing. So remember in the beginning of the book, he bumped his head and couldn't get out of bed? And that's the end. Thank you so much, guys, for listening, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.